everyone, welcome. Allison here. So today on Crafty Friday, I'm just going to do something I've never done before, just a project share. Um, I forgot, to be honest with you, to record some of the things that I was doing, and it's Thursday and I don't want to rush, so I'll just show you what I got. Alright, so I've made two of these stockings. I think they are so cute. I think they turned out pretty good. So got two of those made. This one, I love how this one turned out. Oops, bump y'all. There's 17, I believe, 17. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 17 of the, is it octagon? Yeah. Granny, I can't say granny squares because they're the octagon. There you go. So it's only got the 3 layers, but I think that one turned out really cute too. And then of course, the grand Mac Daddy of all. This is huge. Like, I mean, you can see how huge, excuse me, how huge this is. I mean, it's massive. Now this is the exact pattern. I mean, the exact. The difference is I used, what did I use? Bulky, I believe. This was chunky, and this was bulky yarn. And this was, of course, Red Heart Super Saver. Both of these. But, yeah, look at that. Huge, right? Absolutely massive. But like I said, I mean, it's the exact same pattern as that. So you can definitely, depending on the yarn you use, get any size you want, really. Okay. Next, got this box that I made. This is a gift for someone, so I can't say who because they watch my channel. But there's the inside. Oops, turn it around because it goes this way. I still have to do the mini cards and the tags, but I made this so that the notebook that I made can be exchanged for another one. And then you put like stamps in here. And then there's 6 cards and envelopes for her to use. It just folds that, and then she can just have it sitting on her desk or wherever she wants, you know. Yeah, just like that. And then I made this. Now, if you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I did this, I will show you. This is a gift also. Pen holder. This is chipboard. And you open it up and it's got a pocket right here. And then you got your notebook. I also made this one as well to slide in and out, so it's not permanent, it's temporary. That way when this runs out, they can put in a new legal pad. The legal pad is 8 by 5 inches, I believe. But, and you guys, if you're watching this, I am going to make these to sell, so I can personalize them as far as, you know, different patterns, colors, things like that. So if you're interested, just email me or go to my Facebook group and or even Facebook message me, PM me or something. If you're interested, they make a great gift. Same with this one. This is a calendar slash photo album. Can be a photo album. It just opens like this. And then there you go. You got your calendar. And then once the month is over, the person can put their images, decorate it, whatever, if they want to turn this into an album. And then here on the back, they can add images or information about, you know, what was the best thing for that, you know, of that month, if that makes any sense. It goes all the way. If I had to do this again, I wouldn't have picked the paper like this, the cardstock with the images, but that's alright. I think it still turned out really cute. This here, like I said, is also a gift, so yeah. And there's December. Now this is for 2021, so yeah. And then it just closes like that. You sit it on the desk or counter or whatever. Need to get some different binder rings. So now I found something. I have not seen this in so many years. I got this as a gift from somebody many, many years ago. I can't remember if I was in California or Texas. I don't know, but I got this as a gift from somebody. I don't think everything's in it. It's 104 pieces. Now, I know there's not that in there, but look at this card set. It's got some die cuts in here, and then it's got some little flowers, and then some little metal tags, and like little puppy things, whatever they are. I'm not really sure what they are. And then some stickers. And then I'm guessing this is like the rub-ons or something like that. And then it comes with the envelopes, I think two of each color, 3 of each color, something like that. Then it comes with the cards that are pre-folded, A2 size. And then it comes with all of this cardstock. Yeah, I have no idea. Oops. I have no idea who gave this. Oh, wait, maybe these are cards too. Oh, no, they're cards. Oh my gosh, look at that. Every one of these are cards. This isn't. These are paper. Very cool. See what happens when you move and you start unboxing things, you find things, and then it comes with some, if I can get it, I don't know what you call it, the poofy tape, double-sided tape to, you know, like make things rise like that, so it won't sit flush against the paper or whatever, you know, you're sitting on or putting it on. And then it comes with these little tags. So cute. Smile. Happy birthday. So cute. I don't know who got it for me, because like I said, it's been so long, but anyhow, again, if you want one of these personalized for yourself or as a gift, that would make also another great gift is this calendar. And then they can create it, like I said, into a photo album. And same with this. So, yeah, you guys email me if you're interested and let me know because that would make a great Christmas gift or a birthday gift or a just because gift. So, all right, that is all I believe. I mean, I've done so much more, but I don't. Oh, yes, I do. Hold on one sec. Okay, let's move this out of the way. And here we go. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? The only problem I've got with this is when it was washed and then the stiffener on it, it made the, let me see that, the red bled into the ecru. But other than that, I think it turned out really pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell because every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays I put out a video. And I think that's it. I'll let you guys go. I hope you have a wonderful day or night. And as always, smile. Love y'all. Bye.